Agriculture feeds the world, nourishing seed by seed. But to nourish the future, there needs to be innovation. With this in mind, two visionaries unite. Wastech Group in Malaysia and Pursell from the USA, forging a path towards smarter, greener farming. This is a leap forward in how we grow, harvest, and sustain life. Continuing on this vision, this marks a historic milestone as Wastech Group and Pursell join hands to build Malaysia's most advanced fertilizer coating plant. And it starts here, at the Pursell Wastech Innovations Fertilizer Coating Plant. Located in Port Klang, Malaysia, this partnership will transform agriculture across Southeast Asia. This plant represents a significant investment not just in technology, but in the future of agriculture in Southeast Asia. Equipped with the latest technology making the process cost-effective and eco-friendly. The process begins with high-quality raw materials fed into a grizzly hopper. From there, they're transported to a screener. Granules of the right size are then directed to the raw material hopper, ready for the next stage. Granules are heated in a bed preheater to reach the optimal coating temperature, ensuring uniform coating. Heated granules are transferred to the high-intensity mixer for coating preparation. In the high-intensity mixer, coating materials are precisely applied to the fertilizer granules using low-heat technology. Our patented coating process uses low coating weight and advanced micronutrient incorporation technology, allowing us to include micronutrients, biologicals, biostimulant, and other key additives. Controlled release coating make fertilizer more stable and productive, so more nutrients are delivered to the plants longer into the growing season. With our leading-edge system, curing and batch times are up to 5 times faster than traditional controlled release methods, making the process more efficient and sustainable. Coated granules are then cooled in a fluidized bed cooler to prevent caking. After cooling, the granules are screened to remove agglomerates. The entire process is monitored from a centralized control room with lab tests performed on sample batches for quality control. In high rainfall environments, nutrient runoff from conventional fertilizers results in significant waste and environmental harm. Controlled release coatings make fertilizer more stable and productive. More nutrients are delivered to the plants longer into the growing season and reduced nutrient loss. Plants grow best when nutrients are delivered in sync with their needs, and when nutrient availability is right in the zone. Too much nutrient can cause nutrient loss, pollution, and even plant damage. Too little nutrient, plants suffer from poor health and lower yields. Traditional uncoated and slow-release fertilizers often fall short, releasing nutrients unpredictably, with peaks and gaps that don't match what the plant actually needs. With multigreen controlled release fertilizer, nutrient delivery is consistent, predictable, and precisely timed to match plant uptake. It's smarter, cleaner, and better for your crops and the environment with just one application. Located in Malaysia, this facility strengthens the country's position as a hub for agricultural innovation. Building the plant in Port Klang leverages the region's agricultural dominance. Government support make it an ideal choice. Furthermore, Malaysia's strategic location within Asia, its skilled workforce, robust port and logistics capabilities, and positions us to efficiently serve Southeast Asia and beyond. This joint venture is more than a partnership. It's a commitment to a greener, more sustainable future for agriculture. Together, we are redefining agriculture for Southeast Asia and beyond.